Good morning, everyone. On this occasion, our group will present a topic on sentence structure titled Syntactic Functions and Syntactic Categories from Group 2, consisting of 7 groups members. Comprehensive explanation. Syntactic functions refer to the grammatical roles that words, phrases, and clauses perform within a sentence. They define the relationships between different elements in a sentence and determine how they interact to convey meaning. The primary syntactic functions include the subject, predicate, object, complement, and adverbial. Syntactic categories, also known as parts of speech, classify words based on their grammatical behavior and usage within a sentence. These categories include nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and determiners. Syntactic functions. Subject. The subject of a sentence is the element that the sentence is about. It typically performs the action or is described in the sentence. Definition. The noun, pronoun, or noun phrase that indicates who or what performs the action in a sentence. Characteristics. Usually appears before the verb in declarative sentences. Determines verb agreement in number and person. Can be a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase. Examples: the dog barks. Noun as subject. She is reading a book. Pronoun as subject. The tall man wearing glasses walked by. Complex noun phrase as subject. To study every day is important. Infinitive phrase as subject. Predicate. The predicate provides information about the subject by expressing an action, event, or state of being. Definition. The part of the sentence that contains the verb and provides information about the subject. Characteristics. Must contain a verb. Can be simple, one verb, or complex, verb plus objects, complements, and adverbials. Defines what the subject does or its state. Examples: the cat sleeps. Simple predicate. She is reading a book in the library. Complex predicate. Object. The object receives the action performed by the subject. Objects are divided into 2 types: direct objects and indirect objects. 1. Direct object definition. A noun, pronoun, or noun phrase that answers the question, what or whom, after a transitive verb. Examples: she reads a book. They bought a new car. He loves music. Second indirect object definition. A noun or noun phrase that answers the question, to whom or for whom. The action is done. Examples: she gave her friend a gift. I told my brother a story. They sent us an invitation. Complement. A complement provides additional information about the subject or object to complete its meaning. Complements are divided into subject complements and object complements. 1. Subject complement definition. A word or phrase that renames or describes the subject, often appearing after a linking verb. Examples: she is a doctor. Noun complement. The weather seems cold. Adjective complement. 2. Object complement definition. A word or phrase that renames or describes the object, modifying its meaning. Examples: they elected him president. She painted the wall blue. Adverbial. An adverbial modifies a verb, an adjective, or an entire sentence by providing additional details. Definition. A word, phrase, or clause that functions as an adverb, describing time, place, manner, reason, or frequency. Examples: she studies in the library. Place: we will leave tomorrow. Time: he spoke loudly. Manner. Syntactic categories. Syntactic categories, or parts of speech, classify words based on their grammatical function. 1. Noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Types of nouns: common noun, table, city, dog. Proper noun: London, John, Eiffel Tower. Abstract noun: love, happiness, teacher is kind. She bought a car. Verb. A verb expresses an action, state, or occurrence. Types of verbs. Action verb. Run, eat, jump. Linking verb. Is, seem, become, auxiliary. Verb. Have, do, be. Examples. He runs every morning. They are happy. 3. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Examples. A beautiful garden. The tall man walked by. 5. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition. Examples. She is my friend. They are coming to the party. 6. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun and another word. Examples. The book is on the table. We went to the park. 7. Conjunction. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. Examples. I like coffee and tea. She left because she was tired. Conclusion. Understanding syntactic functions helps in analyzing sentence structures, while syntactic categories provide a classification system for words based on their function. Mastering these concepts enhances grammatical accuracy and language comprehension. Syntactic function refers to A. The meaning of a word in a dictionary. B. The role or position of a word, phrase, or clause in a sentence. C. The process of word formation in a language. D. The relationship between two different languages. 1. Syntactic function refers to B. The role or position of a word, phrase, or clause in a sentence. Explanation. Syntactic function refers to how a word, phrase, or clause functions within a sentence, such as being a subject, object, or predicate. 2. Which of the following is an example of a subject in a sentence? C. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Explanation. The cat is the subject performing the action of sleeping. The other options are not complete clauses with a clear subject. 3. In the sentence, Father reads the newspaper every morning, the syntactic function of the newspaper is C. Object explanation. The newspaper receives the action of the verb reads, making it the direct object of the sentence. 4. Which sentence has a predicate that is a verb? C. Mother is cooking in the kitchen. Explanation. Is cooking is a verb phrase acting as the predicate. The other sentences have predicates with linking verbs and adjectives, nouns. Choose the sentence that has a place adverbial. B. Mother is cooking vegetables in the kitchen. Explanation. In the kitchen tells us where the action takes place, making it a place adverbial. 6. In the sentence, he became a doctor after graduating from college. The word doctor functions as D. Complement explanation. Doctor provides additional information about the subject he after the linking verb became, making it a subject complement. 7. Which of the following sentences contains a time adverbial? A. We will go to the beach tomorrow morning. Explanation. Tomorrow morning tells us when the action happens, making it a time adverbial. 8. In the sentence, my younger sibling is very happy today, the syntactic function of very happy is D. Complement explanation. Very happy describes the subject, my younger sibling, and follows the linking verb is, making it a subject complement. 9. In the sentence, mother is cooking in the kitchen, the phrase in the kitchen functions as D. Adverbial explanation. In the kitchen tells us where the action happens, making it a place adverbial. 10. Which sentence contains a complement? B. He feels satisfied with his work. Explanation. Satisfied describes the subject, he, after the linking verb, feels, making it a subject complement.